Today we're going to show you how to fry shrimp, kill it and grill it style. When you're frying shrimp, first thing you got to do is prepare the shrimp. I've took the heads off of them, and here's a standard shrimp peeler we use here on the Gulf Coast in Texas. We just try to stick it in the vein cavity and run it down the back. And if you do it right, sometimes it'll even pull the vein out with it, like it did here. It's gone. Boom. And that's it. You can also use a fork. If you don't have a shrimp peeler, just take the tine, same thing, run it up the back. And again, I got most of the vein out. We'll go through and clean them up. Okay, I now have all the shrimp peeled, deveined, cleaned, rinsed off. Now we have to split or butterfly them. You need a sharp knife. You want to go about halfway into the body, all the way down, just like that. Once we do all of those, I just kind of do it like that. Once we do all those, we'll get to the next step. Okay, next, after we've butterflied all the shrimp, we have to do the egg. Now, we've got 2 eggs in there. And now we want to, with our 2 eggs, we want a teaspoon of black pepper, teaspoon of white pepper. Then we want 1/8 teaspoon cayenne. You don't need a lot of cayenne for flavor. And a lot of it will burn you up. 3/4 teaspoon garlic powder and onion powder. Whip it up. I mix the seasoning directly into the egg. Now, depending on what kind of salt you use, depends on how much you put in. You can use like a teaspoon or 2 of regular salt, but with kosher salt. Since it's not a salt, you want more like a tablespoon. Or a scant tablespoon. Woo. Then put your deep butterflied shrimp directly in. Get it all coated. Then go put it in the refrigerator for at least an hour. You want the shrimp to be cold before you fry. Alright, next step to cook shrimp. We take the shrimp that we put in the egg and spice mixture. We got the fire heating up over there. Seasoning is in the egg and the shrimp. We don't season the flour. That's why I like this method. It's the easiest way to get shrimp evenly seasoned. Put a couple of cups of flour, plain old flour. And then we'll drop shrimp in the bag. Take them up, get them coated. I'm not going to fry all of them. There's more than 2 people can eat. And then we gently make sure they're evenly coated all the way around. These shrimp will stick together, so you gotta break them up. So you get them all nice and coated. Yeah. Alright. As soon as the oil gets hot enough, we'll start frying. Alright, now we're down to the frying part. Shrimp loaded as fast as we can. Try not to splash grease on yourself. It doesn't feel good. Now when you go to flipping them, you can use tongs of course. But when I'm in practice, I find it faster to use chopsticks. We'll go ahead and start flipping them. Anyway, I do it fast with chopsticks. I like it. Shrimp don't take long, 2 to 4 minutes, depending on how big they are. We're on the third and last batch. Just turned the fire off about 30 seconds ago. Let the heat in the pan finish cooking them out. Always try to save energy. We don't have gas forever. Anyway, like I said, I like chopsticks for cooking utensils. They do so many things. They mix, they are tongs, and once you get good with it, they're really fast. Okay, let's pan down and check out them fried shrimp. Ain't that beautiful? Okay, sorry, gotta talk to y'all later, gotta eat.